In this video, we'll show you how you can create a Taobao account. Hey everyone, it's App Mentor once again. So let's begin with the tutorial. If you want to get started with the Taobao, use the links on the screen. Open your web browser and go to Taobao website. Click the three dots in the upper right corner and select the translate option. An icon will appear on the address bar. Select your preferred language. Enter your phone number and add the verification code. After verification, click the English button to translate. Select your country code and enter your phone number again. Enter the verification code, and finally, click on the Agree and Register button to create your account. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!